What's going on, guys? Right, welcome back to the channel. So what have I been up to other than making a complete mess of the workshop? As you can see, there's stuff everywhere. Right, had to take off the front cover on this because I needed to make sure that I had the timing correctly. I did have the timing correct, so I was just worrying about nothing. I took the cam box off because I wanted to make sure that I set it all correctly on that. I did. And the problem was, it was the distributor. I had it in the wrong place, and I was getting a bit confused with it because I'm trying to think that it's harder than it really is, and it's super simple. That's the thing. It's super simple, but because this has got a aftermarket Zytec ECU in it, it's a little bit more different compared to a normal Ford ECU, which is a little bit more forgiving. You put it into one place and it starts. This one here has got an extra sensor inside it, which was installed in it back in yesteryear, and it's like an optical sensor, and it needs to be set into a separate place. I think now I've got it in the right place, turned it over, away it went, and it started up. Now I've just got to go and do a bit of oil management, put the covers back on and things like that, but other than that, I'm happy. You may think I've made a complete mess, but I'd rather make a complete mess of all the engine bay because there's oil everywhere, but that all can be cleaned down. That's not too much of a hassle. So, yep, I'm happy with that. Right, okay, it's only a small update. If you like what you saw and you like this build, let me know. And I'm thinking of doing another build after this, maybe in the new year. I'm not quite sure what car I'm going to try. I'll give you some more updates on my Mondeo as they come. And, yeah, so happy days. If you... I'll have a good new year, and I'll speak to you later. Take care. Have a good one.